Alright, good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Rafa. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Google Veo3 to create adverts and other videos that you actually want, depending on the prompt that you actually give to it. Okay, I'll be showing, let me just show you one or two adverts I created. Let's watch this one. This one is two videos. Remember, it's 8 seconds. You can't create more than 8 seconds. Okay. So this one is one. So you can visually create any type of video, whether adverts, anything.
The energy of NYC, the heart of innovation.
Has different scene.
We offer premium hair services, from luxurious extensions that add volume and length to expert nail care that leaves you feeling polished and perfect.
Welcome to a new era of hospitality in the heart of Abuja. Welcome to Royal Oasis. Hello, welcome to Toplands Collection. Here we have all kinds of wine, red wine, white wine, and sparkling drinks. At Toplands Collection, we believe good wine makes every moment special. So come today and pick your favorite bottle. People come here for birthdays, weddings, parties, or even just to relax at home. At Toplands Collection, we believe good wine makes fun and enjoy the moment, as we are always ready to give you the best, because that is the hallmark of Toplands Collection. Welcome to a new era of hospitality in the heart of Abuja. Welcome to Royal Oasis.
At Hotel Royal Oasis, every detail has been thoughtfully designed for your ultimate relaxation.
Welcome to a new era of hospitality in the
As
heart
this
of
one is
Abuja. Welcome to
video.
Royal Oasis, where luxury.
So you can actually give me different scene.
Welcome to a new era of hospitality in the heart of Abuja. Welcome to Hotel Royal Oasis.
You created your prompt. Okay.
Welcome to a new era of hospitality in the heart of Abuja. Welcome to Hotel Royal.
At Hotel Royal Oasis, every detail has been thoughtfully designed for your ultimate relaxation.
Step out in style with Vivian's collection.
Hello, welcome to Toplands Collection. Here we have all kinds of wine, red wine, white wine, and sparkling drinks.
And enjoy the moment, as we are always ready to give you the best, because that is the hallmark of Toplands Collection. And enjoy the moment, as we are always ready to give you the best, because that is our hallmark. Look, at Toplands Collection, we believe good wine makes every moment special. So come today and pick your favorite bottle. Toplands Collection Rare. People come here for birthdays, weddings, parties, or even just to relax at home. At Toplands Collection, we believe good wine makes...
Vivian! This your salon day too fine. But wait, is that not one of your bags? Tola, my dear, this is more than a salon. It's a statement. And yes, this is from my new collection, Vivian's collection.
So you've seen the videos. I actually left it to play so you can see that you are going to cut and join, cut and join, cut and just to ensure you get what you're actually looking for, depending on the prompts that you give. So I'll be showing you how you can actually create that. The first thing you need to do is to create your prompt, and I'll be using this prompt. I just say create a Veo3 cinematic advert prompt for my online training course. The ad should be 30 to 45 seconds, divided in opening, middle, and closing scene with detailed visual, text overlay, and a motivational tone. End with a logo and call to. I may decide to forget about this one. Okay. So you know the prompt that you want to add, you know the advert you want to create. So you just type it here. You can use Chat GPT, but I'm actually using this Gemini. Okay. So click on it. You can see it has been created. Even though I'm not going to use all of them, I'll just copy. Let me just copy from here. Down to here. Let me just copy this. Then I'll come to my flow dashboard. If you have not created an account, create an account with them. Okay. In my dashboard, I'll click on this new project. Okay. Click on new project. Then here, ensure that this thing is on. Let me show you. Ensure that it is on Veo3 fast or Veo3 quality. But this one, if you check here, this one is taking 20 credits. But if you bring it to Veo3 quality, it is taking 100 credits. Okay? So I highly recommend you use Veo3 fast that takes 20 credits. And if you use these ones, you are not going to get any audio. Okay? So know what you are creating. What is the essence of creating audio? Unless if you want to do voiceover. Okay? Another thing, ensure that this thing is on one. Okay? Ensure that it's on one. Then here, you ensure that this one is on text to video. Okay? Text to video. Alright. So once you are done setting this thing, you now paste your code here. Okay? This is the code I've just copied from Gemini. Okay? The next thing I need to do is to paste it here and click on, just edit it the way you want. You know what you are doing. Okay? But in this tutorial, I'm just going to paste it like this. Okay? And I'll click on this button. It takes time to generate, but let's wait for it to generate. Okay, this is the video that I've just created now.
Your journey begins now. Your journey begins now.
You've seen it. So once you are done creating it, the next thing you need to do is to click on this. You can see this arrow here to download it. Click on select this original size and you download the video. Okay, let me show you in case you don't know how to. Just go to Google. Ensure you must have created an account with this Jeremy. Okay, once you create an account with them, before you can be able to access Flow. Okay, so once you are open to this, then you now go to the same browser, Flow AI. Okay. Ensure that you select this one. You can see Google Lab. Look at it here, Google Lab. So once you click on it, it is going to open this thing like this for you. Then click on create with flow. Okay, so this is how you can actually create business adverts of any type, or even video, even cinema, anything at all with this flow. So this is how you can actually create video adverts or any video at all with flow. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button, so anytime I upload new video, you'll be notified. Thank you and God bless you.